Okay, so in this video we will see about the unpacked array. So before moving to the unpacked array, I want to tell you where you will get these notes. Some people are asking where I will get these notes. So you will get these notes in my video description. There will be one Telegram channel link. You just need to join this link, and from there you will get these notes. You have to download from the Telegram channel. Before I used to provide using a Google Drive, but it is not good actually. So I thought it will be better when you just join the Telegram channel, and I will upload there, and everyone can download from there. Okay, so this notes will be free. You don't need to pay anything. Just go and download from the Telegram channel. Okay, so let's see. So here we will see what is unpacked array first. So unpacked array is a array, okay, where the dimension is written after the variable name. So you have to mention the array dimension after the variable name. That type of array will become unpacked. Packed means the data type and a variable name. Between that you will mention the dimension. Unpacked means after the variable name you will mention the dimension. For example, you have int data type. Okay, int data type array you have, and here this is a is a array name. Now a is a array name, and we are mentioning the dimension of this array after the array name. So that is why variable name or array name you can call anything. That is why this become unpacked array. Okay, now the type is, here I mentioned type is, what is the type of data type? Int is a data type, a is a variable name, and the size is total. Unpacked array dimension, total size is how much? 4. So for the visualization you can think like that. You can think like this. So you have the array which contains 4 element. So this array contains how many element? 4 element. So this is look like this. You declare like this, total size is 4, and this is an unpacked array, and you can visualize like this. So when you mention the dimension like this, means the index will start from where? 0. In previous video I told you. So the 0th is a first element, and 1 is a second element, and 2 is a third element, and 3 is a fourth element. So this is how your array look like. Okay, now because int is a 32-bit, you know, right? Int is a 32-bit data type. So the size of int is 32 bits. So total how many element is there? 4 elements is there. Each element can store how many bits of data? 32 bits of data. So total how many bits of data you can store? 128 bits. That is huge. Okay, now we will see one example. This is what is unpacked array. Later we will see the different types of unpacked array, where we will see static, dynamic, all those things we will see. For now, this is what the unpacked array. Now we will see one example. So you see, this is a module, and this is a module name, and here we declare an unpacked array of size how much? 4. Okay, now inside the initial begin, we are initializing the array and we are printing the array. That's it. That's what we are doing. So here you see 0th index, what value we are putting? We are putting 10. In our first index of the array we are putting 20. Similarly at the second we are putting 30, and third we are giving 40. Okay, then here we are printing the array elements. Each array elements we are printing. So at the 0th index, what the value should come in decimal format? 10 should come, and the first index it should come 20. Like that you will get the result. So how you will get the result? This is the output. Now in your computer just copy, or you can type this code, that will be better, and you just simulate into the QuestaSim, and you just print the result and post the result in comment box, so that I can check you are getting the same result or not. Now you may have a question, how it is different from packed array. So sometimes in interview also they ask how unpacked array is different from packed array. So in that case you need to tell. Okay, so you just give an example also, that will be sufficient. So this is what packed array is. In a previous video only I told you this is how packed array look like. And then the dimension, where you are mentioning the dimension before the variable name. So see here, this is the dimension, and where you are mentioning before the variable name. So this is the variable name or array name, and you are mentioning the dimension before this. And for the visualization, how it will look like this? This is how it will look, right? in the previous video also I explained you all those things. The complete variable is treated as a 8-bit vector, one 8-bit vector, only one. Okay, the complete variable. In unpacked array, it is different. The dimension you are mentioning after the variable name, and the visualization how it will look like. Total it will create how many elements. So here only one element is there, that is one vector. But in this case, total how many elements is there? Tell me. Total, when size is 8 means total 8 elements is there, 0 to 7. Now 0 to 7 only. Why 0 to 7? Why not a different? So index I told you, right? Suppose it will look like this, then data 7 down to 0. So in this the index will start from where? Tell me. Data 7. So it will start from 7 and it will go to where? It will go to 0. Okay, in this case. If I mention like this, then it will go to 1. Okay. But if I mention only 8, this is what? Then the index will start from 0 to 8. Okay. And each can store how much? Each element can store how much data? 1 bit data. Why? Because the data type is logic. That is why. Okay. So there are total how many elements is there? 8 separate array elements is there. Each contains one logic value. Okay. Then the next we will see about some important points regarding the unpacked array. What are the important points? Unpacked array can use any data type. You seen, right? Previously, packed array can use only and only reg data type, logic data type, bit data type. But unpacked array can use any data type, because here we are not restricting the size of the data type. So you see, int can be like this. You can use int, byte, logic, real, reg, every data type, every SystemVerilog data type you can use in unpacked array. So to declare unpacked array, you can use whatever the data type you want. But to declare the packed array, you have to use only 3 data type. Okay, the index does not always start from 0. I already told you. Here I am giving explanation. So this is what total, what is the size? 5. So start from 0. So it will look like this. Here index start from 0. For the for this, by default index start from 0 for this. Okay, so it will look like this, 0 to size minus 1. So it will be 0 to 4. But in this case, the index start from 3, because this is a MSB bit. So index start from here and it will go to here. But here no MSB, no LSB. So that is why I start from 0. In this case, LSB MSB is there. So start from MSB, it will go to LSB. Okay, so this is for this video. We will see in another video. Okay guys, bye. If you learn something from this video, then please like my channel and subscribe my channel and like this video for the further updates.